I ran into him, and then he gets in the van, and he won't leave me alone.
What do you mean you split up?
We split up.
Like
Broke
a divorce? Don't put your hands in your pockets.
Oh.
A divorce, or
no.
were you guys together?
Yeah, we were in a relationship.
Okay. All right. Well, hey, focus. Okay, take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. You're all right.
He took everything from me.
Okay, we're looking for him. Okay, you gotta tell me what happened, though.
Are you a good cop?
Huh?
You're a good cop.
I'm a good cop.
That's my son.
Okay. How are you, man? I've talked to you before.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's in your hand on that other one?
Oh, the dog.
Oh, okay.
The dog.
Okay. What's your dog's name?
Roscoe.
Roscoe?
He's a
Have I talked to you before, man? What's up, buddy?
Talk to me for a minute.
Okay, what happened?
Got angry because of Sean.
Who got angry?
Sean did.
Sean got angry?
Yes.
Okay, why did he get angry?
Busted the thing.
He busted the window?
Yeah.
Okay, how did he bust the window?
With a knife.
With what?
With his cane.
Oh.
Cane.
Oh, okay. Alright, well, relax, man. Take a deep breath. Is that your toy car?
Yeah, it takes batteries.
It takes batteries, huh? Alright.
Yep. You guys can help me, right?
Huh?
You guys can help me.
We're gonna help.
Get a room.
No, well, maybe.
We're staying in Platteville. Me and Jody are staying in Platteville.
Yeah. Okay, you're Jody?
Jody.
Hi, man. I'm Zach. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, we've talked to you before.
Yeah, I think so.
I lived on 4th Street.
Okay.
Yeah.
What was his name?
Sean Billinger.
Okay. Do you have a date of birth?
It's 9/2/72.
SH?
Right? SHAWN. US, right?
Hold on, one, buddy.
Really?
BIL?
BILLINGER.
Okay, does he have anybody, where is he, would he go to Platteville?
I don't think so.
Okay.
He's on a mission, a death mission or something. I don't know.
Okay.
Because I left him and then I ran into him, and which I would have never ran into him.
How did you run into him?
I went to the store and he happened to be right there.
Which store?
Safeway.
Okay, so then what happened?
And I told him I was going back home, and he told me no. He tried to put the stupid van in reverse.
In which parking lot? This parking lot?
Over here at Safeway.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this happened at Safeway?
Oh, he broke the window here.
No, what happened at, continue with, give me his date of birth first. How about that? Sean's date of birth again?
It's 9/2/72.
72?
You guys know.
Okay. And what's your name?
Jacqueline Simbeck.
Jacqueline? Spell it for me.
JACQU.
Hold on, JAC what?
QUELINE. Simbeck, spelled like it sounds. SIMBECK. Go in the bathroom and use the bathroom in there. I know.
Okay. What's your date of birth?
It's 9/11/70.
Okay. All right. Do you know a phone number for Sean?
No, he doesn't have a phone. He broke my phone too.
Okay. Okay. All right. So tell me again what happened. So you guys are at Safeway.
Yeah. And then he started throwing a fit there.
Okay. What do you mean by that?
Because he has a habit and he needs to quit it.
What habit?
He has a drug habit.
Okay. What kind of drugs?
Meth.
Okay. So tell me what happened again. So you guys were at Safeway and he threw a fit.
Yeah, because I wouldn't go find somebody.
Wouldn't go find somebody?
Yeah.
With meth?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I wouldn't take it.
Okay. When did this happen? What time?
Just a little bit ago.
Go ahead. Hey, from Sean Billinger, something like that. Paper. So is it your van?
It's in both of our names.
Okay. Okay, so it happened at Safeway. So explain to me what happened again. So you're at Safeway.
Yeah, and he wanted me to go find somebody to go get his drugs, and I told him no, because I just don't like it. I don't want to be around it.
Right.
That's why we split up.
Okay.
And he threw a fit, and I told him I was going home.
Okay.
And then he made me pull in here because he almost went over like this, and somebody was coming.
Okay. With the car?
Yeah.
Was he driving or were you driving?
No, I was.
So he reached over the steering wheel?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, and then what?
And then he made me pull in here.
Hold on 1 second. On 3. A firm. Maybe even like possible kidnapping, depending on the story. Yeah, she's the victim.
And then he while we were driving, he pulled out where the heater and everything is in the van.
Does he have any weapons?
He has knives.
She said he has knives and he broke his cane here.
And he's on a death mission because his dad just died. His family don't want nothing to do with him.
Is the van over there?
You can't miss it. It's got a broken window.
Okay. Which window's broken?
On the passenger side sliding door.
The passenger sliding door window's broken on it.
All the glass is right there.
Okay. Alright, so you guys pulled in here after he drove you off the road, then what happened?
And I got out and I told him I was going to go call you guys.
Okay.
And then he got mad and he started to walk away and he got back in the van before I got to the door.
Okay.
Roscoe.
And then what happened?
He ain't a fire hydrant. And then he got in the van and left.
Okay.
He went that way.
Okay.
There he is right there.
Alright. Move out of the way. Hey Perry, I got him going south on Denver. Dispatch Lupton 322. Dispatch Lupton 322, fair yield. Dispatch Lupton 322 on county. Dispatch Lupton 322. Okay, so now we're going west on 9th. He's going towards Fulton. Dispatch Lupton 322. We're still west on 9th. It's a dead end. Go ahead and give me a clear channel. Dispatch Lupton 322, full pursuit, southbound. Hey, come here! Come here, stop! Stop, come here! Stop! Let me see your hands! Show me your hands! Hey, stop right there, man! Stop! Stop! Stop, man! Hey, stop! Police, stop! Police, stop! Stop! Stop right there!